Hey guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about general characters of Echinodermata. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So starfish is the example of Echinodermata phylum. So we will talk about its general characters. These animals are widely distributed and they are found in seawater. That means they are marine animals. They are pentamerous. Penta means 5. That means they have 5 arms. So you can see in this picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arms they have. And those arms are radiating from a central disc. So this is the central disc. From this central disc, 5 arms are radiating. They have radial symmetry. So radial symmetry means when two sides are similar. Two sides are similar around the central axis. So suppose this is the central axis, then this side and this side are similar. So it is called radial symmetry. They are triploblastic animals. That means they have 3 germ layers. Ectoderm, that is the outer part, then mesoderm, that is the middle layer, and then endoderm, that is the inner layer. So 3 layers of body tissue they have. That's why they are triploblastic. They are coelomates. That means they have body coelom. Body coelom is nothing but the body cavity. So they have body cavity, that is coelom. Hence they are coelomates. 2 surfaces are present in their body: oral surface and aboral surface. Oral surface is this part that we can see in this picture, that is the upper surface of the body. Aboral surface is the lower surface of the body that we can't see in this picture because this is not the 3D picture. So aboral surface is present in the lower side of the body, and the visible side is the oral surface that we can see now. They do not have any head or segmentation. Ambulacra is present in their body. So ambulacra is a narrow groove. You can see here these black color rod-like structures are ambulacra. So ambulacra are narrow groove. So groove means it is the depression. It is the depression in the body surface. So this narrow groove is running along the middle of the oral surface of each arm. So if this is the arm, it has the middle part of the arm is this, and this part contains the narrow groove which is called ambulacra. Then body wall. So their body wall contains 3 layers. The outer layer is epidermis. So this is the red color one. This is the epidermis. Then middle part is dermis. This is the green one, that is dermis. And then peritoneum is this blue color. So it is peritoneum, that is the inner layer. So body wall has 3 layers. Endoskeleton they have, that means the skeleton that is present inside their body. So endoskeleton contains some plates. Those plates are called theca or test. So endoskeletons are like plates which are present inside the body. Coelom is lined by peritoneum. So this yellow one, that is coelom. So you can see that coelom is lined by the inner layer of body wall, that is peritoneum. And this coelom contains digestive systems as well as reproductive systems. Coelom is enterocele, that is developed from embryonic archenteron. So archenteron is actually primary gut. This is primary gut that forms during embryonic development. So at that time, from the primary gut, the coelom is developed. That type of coelom is called enterocele. Water vascular system or ambulacral system is present, and that vascular system is filled with watery fluid. This special type of system or watery system is present in their body. Alimentary tract extends from mouth and it is located on the oral surface and it runs till the anus of the aboral surface. So mouth is definitely present in the oral surface of the body and anus is present in the aboral surface of the body. And from mouth to anus, the alimentary tract is running here. Circulatory system is present in them and that circulatory system is called hymal or blood lacunar system. This is the open type blood vascular system. That means it does not flow through vessels. Blood does not flow through some vessels. It is the open type of blood vascular system. Respiration occurs by gills. They have gills. So excretory system is absent in them. They do not have any proper excretory system. Nervous system is very primitive type. Sense organs are poorly developed in them. They have separate sexes, that means they are dioecious. So we can say that male and female animals are separate. Male and female animals are separate, that is called dioecious. Sexual reproduction occurs in them and the fertilization occurs outside the body. That means it is external fertilization. Development is indirect. So when we call something indirect development, that means it is including larvae in their life cycle. So they have indirect development. And one thing I need to mention here, that Echinodermata name itself contains 2 parts. First part is echinos, that means spiny, and the second part is dermos, that means skin. These 2 words, echinos and dermos, come from Greek language. So they are actually spiny skin animals. All Echinodermata are spiny skin animals, hence they are named Echinodermata. Like in starfish, if this is the arm, this arm is covered by some spines. So this spiny skin is found mainly on the top sides of the body.